but please don't fret, I'm on the midnight train. You're feeling down, I imagine you're frown. I'm late and I know it's a pain, but if you don't wait with your raincoat on, I'll surely go insane. Wait on me, honey. Wait on me, honey. I love you, we'll get through, but for now you're feeling blue. Ain't nothing in the world that we can't do. I think you're ready and you. It's okay if you can't stay, just text me a place to go. I'm nearly there, you're in my prayer, and this journey is really slow. Suppose I'm keen on you, I mean, I've got all the dough. Be on our way to Santa Fe, we'll be leaving fair Glasgow. Wait on me, honey. Wait on me, honey. I love you, we'll get through, though for now you're feeling blue. Ain't nothing in the world that we can't do. I think you're ready and you. The flight is long and we can sing along to the tune that's in your head. You sung to me that very song when we were cozy in our bed. I'll stay with you like a pair of shoes, just like we had said. I love you left and I love you right until we are both stone dead. Wait on me, honey. Wait on me, honey. I love you, we'll get through, though for now you're feeling blue. Ain't nothing in the world that we can't do. I think you're ready and you. Wait on me, honey. Wait on me, honey. I love you, we'll get through, though for now you're feeling blue. Ain't nothing in the world that we can't do. I